That tape?
Yeah.
Yours than a rate.
It's a stream.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News. If me no shit them can yam, every style when me make them one. So, them say if you can't beat them, I join them. Beenie Man finally recognized Vybz Kartel latest achievement at the Barclays Center because in a recent post, him big up Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel for their dominance when it comes on to performing in New York. But at the same time, him squeezing his performance date. In my last video, me explain to you the performance where Vybz Kartel do shift dancehall to a different level, whereas more eyes are now on the culture. So at the right time to capitalize as a dancehall artist. But viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me if Beenie Man sound genuine when him a big up Kartel, or you thinking just a try look new fans for his upcoming show. You see Beenie Man a big up Kartel from him heart? Well, me really appreciate and respect that from him because dancehall needs unity right now, and what a time for unite in a dancehall. So Beenie Man, if you genuinely a big up Vybz Kartel, respect you again for that. Tell me what you think, Beenie Man sound genuine? In other news, Vybz Kartel just touched back in Miami after I mash up the Barclays Center, and he said we must spread the word.
Yeah, just create history. First dancehall artist to sell out Barclays 2 nights in a row, back to back. Land me and land back in Miami and now. Yeah, Miami, spread the word. Top Shotters is back. Fully fit.
Are you planning to do some stuff with Vybz Kartel? Can we get an album or something, man?
Well, the music is music. Anybody that you want to work with, you work with. That's how it goes.
I mean, just came home, so I figured,
Yeah, but you see, we is on another level. You see? So music is music. Anytime they're ready for me to work with them, I'm ready to work with them. I'm not against nobody, but, a little stone is going to fling there and a little body is going to break around there until the back stop broken, the stone stop flinging and bones heal and all that, then we can get together in the studio. That's how it is.
Right.
Because you see, as I tell you, that music is the worst of politics than the politics itself.